Hello and welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to introduce this installation video to you guys. So what we've been working on over the last couple of weeks is this Mercedes Vito. We've done loads of other upgrades to it, so feel free to check out those videos as well. Today what we're going to be doing is talking you through about the alarm system that we've added to the vehicle. It's just one of the parts that we've done on this vehicle, and we just wanted to do a separate video just highlighting how it works on a Mercedes Vito. So this is what we've added, is what's called a 4615 Vodafone Automotive Thatcham approved alarm system. So all of us here at CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio are Thatcham approved, and we've got a Thatcham approved accreditation, and we're also FITAS approved as well. In terms of the system that we've added on is what's called a Thatcham 2-to-1 upgrade. It means that the vehicle has a factory immobiliser already on there, and what we've done is added an alarm system, gaining the category, so now this vehicle has a 2-to-1 system. In essence, what that means is that it's got an alarm system that works off the factory key fob. There's no additional fobs or no additional gimmicks, it just works, and it's a very reliable bit of kit, and that's why we choose this product. In terms of how you use the vehicle and use the alarm system, you use it exactly how you do currently. So you unlock and lock the vehicle, and that will disarm and arm your alarm and so forth. In terms of how it picks up if there's a break-in, the way it works is it's got two ultrasonics that go in the front of the vehicle. They basically, if you have a bulkhead, obviously will cover the main front of the vehicle, and then we normally use a microwave sensor to cover the rear. That's if you have a bulkhead. On this particular vehicle, he's having his bulkhead removed, so that's why we've just gone for the ultrasonics. We'll carry through and pick up any action that's going on in the rear. In terms of if a door is broken into or anything like that, because it's a CAN bus alarm, it will work off those door triggers. If one of those triggers is broken, it will also set off the alarm. One of the cool things as well is if you leave the windows open on your vehicle, because it's a CAN bus alarm, when you lock the vehicle, the alarm will beep 3 times, notifying you that you've left a door or window open. So you can go quickly back and close up your vehicle, make sure it's all safe. In terms of the actual system itself, the way it works, it's really user-friendly. It's literally unlock and lock off your vehicle. There's no other gimmicks at all, which is actually one of the reasons why we choose this system. You get a little LED light in the vehicle to first of all identify to thieves that you've got an alarm system on your vehicle, but also works as a system to remove the ultrasonics as such. So you can disable those if you have got a dog or anything like that moving around in the back of the vehicle. You can quite easily disable those ultrasonics as well, but still retain the full alarm system of your door mechanisms. So we'd just like to thank you for watching this short video. If you're interested in an alarm system like this, we've got 3 systems. This is on our website. One of our most popular systems is the Hurricane 360, but what we can do on alarm system is customize them. We can add as many sirens or sensors as you would like. On this particular system, this customer wanted an additional siren. So we've got 2 sirens in this vehicle, giving a real 360 surround sound if the alarm is triggered, and really you can't stand near it once that is triggered. So thank you very much for watching our short video, and we'd like to just thank you once again. And if you're interested in something like this, feel free to, we've got all our contact details below, get in contact with us and we can upgrade your vehicle soon. Thank you very much, and we look forward to upgrading your Mercedes Vito.